And let's take it back to another easy but awesome one for number 4. Upgrading the springs and wheels to metal. If you ever notice that your bed becomes unlevel after taking off your finished prints, that's because the plastic spring and wheels easily move with any pressure you apply to the bed, and that makes it unlevel. This is a simple and useful way to fix that problem, and honestly, it looks pretty sick. After installing all the new parts, make sure to re-level the bed, and you may even have to move your mechanical switch or set your Z offset, since these springs will often be a lot higher up than the standard ones.